What's up, Goated ones? Goated.vc here. Coming soon, page builder. Why the devoweled? No, that's we offer that. I like the font. It's kind of clean. Coming soon, page builder. Build and launch your coming soon or under construction page in a few minutes without coding. Now, this is an article I haven't been able to find. I know it exists somewhere on the internet, but David Cancel had a blog post that was the golden rule. And the golden rule of like copywriting was no ands. I would extend it and say no ands or ors. Um, so it's like build and launch, coming soon or under construction page. And I guess you're trying to like cover as many bases as possible. But it just like every time you add an and or an or, it kind of like weakens the strength of your pitch to me. I like being more opinionated. That's just my personal preference. It's like, do you really need build? You can just launch your coming soon page. What is the difference between a coming soon and an under construction page? You hit the right points in a few minutes without coding. Get started free. Cool. Then you got a preview of I'll include this in the hero. Um, because this is such little text, I would actually put this to the left and put the preview to the right. So this is like a launch rock page for all you old startup people. um, yeah, okay. It's like a 771 hero. You get the point. Um, intrigued, but not like, is it on a custom domain? How quickly can I get it up? How much design flexibility do I have? Those are kind of the main questions on my mind. Create a coming soon page for your website and start marketing before you launch. All you need to do is to choose design, fill form with details, no integration hustle. You don't need to install analytic tools or integrate subscription forms. You are ready to go from the beginning. That's nice. All needed features in one box. That's a weird way to say it. Okay. I don't know. Something about this doesn't feel like the design is okay, just like very plain on the page and of the actual output pages. Park your domain to coming soon page easily. Um, okay. Create your coming soon page in a few minutes. There's like a lot of these. So like, why am I choosing this one? Free, $0 per month. No hosting required. Advanced page builder. So what's the advanced part? So if you want a custom domain, you do $3 a month. So you could use, Real Nice and have a page that's a little bit more robust for free. So that's how I would compare because I've seen other pages. Um, some okay. Oh, they show a little love. Okay, that is unfortunate. That person's startup is having some issues. That person's startup is also not functioning. Why are all of these links like broken? So there was another startup that used to check all your links. I think people need to do that more, myself included. The Goated VC link was broken the other day, and I didn't realize it because I changed the name on AngelList. Um, so definitely recheck your links. Oh, cool! It's actual real Trustpilot review from 2021. Really? Been around that long? Damn. Okay. But yeah, check your links, homie. FAQ, automatic point deduction. I need some sound effects. That's what I need. Anytime I see a FAQ, I need like a something. Yeah, something like that. I need a wah, because that's how I feel every time I see a FAQ. Guys, gals, don't do it. Don't do it. All right, features. Okay, so this is just parts of the same page. Automation. What's the automation? Okay. Um, pre-sign up onboarding. I got the basics. I'm kind of not fully sure on the design part. Um, but I like that even in the onboarding, you're getting to do stuff without actually, yeah, it's getting you pretty far into the process. Now, will you actually be able to preview your page without putting your email in? That's my question on these type of things. I think it makes sense to always do it, but hey, I don't know. People don't seem to think the way I do. So let's just pretend we're launching then. Okay. Something social links. P equals Insta. Yeah, you actually don't need this. Just like have the handle part. I think that's my Instagram. I don't actually remember. Check this out. Cool. Is that my Instagram? I think it's Goated.vc. Oh yeah, that's right. So let me just fix that. Best investor ever. Self quote. Check out our daily teardowns. bit.ly/daily denbo. I can't type. So yeah, let's just put that for, I don't know. Your right arrow here is, something's wrong with it. But hey, I guess, okay, that's a date. Okay. See results. The line breaks. That is a little, it's technically, yeah, that's just like it's like a tweak in the settings thing. Um, but hey, is this actually up? Oh wow, that's pretty nice. I might actually use this. How do I save it? Now you sign up. Okay, I can rock with this. Yeah, it might actually be good to have a page like this. So, well done. Pre sign up on pre sign up onboarding. I'm gonna give an 8.5 because it's pretty solid. You get full way through the site. Um, Product wise, I would make it easy to switch between designs. It's one of the things Real Nice does well is they give you kind of like 5 or 6, and you could preview how your text and inputs look with it. Um, but overall, it's pretty simple. Get something up pretty quick. Um, yeah, I might use this for a couple little things. I don't think Launch Rock is still around, is it? Shout out to Jameson Detweiler. Oh wow, it's, oh yeah, I got bought. So yeah, it's still around. But see, this page, it does all the things, but it's actually really, Hotel Tonight is on Launch Rock. Really? No way. Um, this is a lot. This is just like too complicated. The simplicity of a site like this actually is your advantage. And I encourage entrepreneurs to not discount how nice it is to have a very particular product that does one thing and is optimized for one use case. All these big companies, that is their Achilles heel because they have so many features and they hire people and they need to make more features and they can't do something simple. That is your advantage as a startup. So don't discount that. All right. And that's it. As always, brush your teeth. Please brush your teeth, guys. Walk in the corner. I know you guys know what that means. Denbo out. I'm in San Francisco right now. If you're around, holler at me. Here for one day only, but I'll be at HF0 demo day. Shout out to HF0. I am an investor in backend capital, so hopefully I will connect with some of y'all soon. Love ya.